morning. Okay, guys. Good morning, everybody. We are going to be beginning our lesson for today. Um, Good morning, everyone. What we have planned for today basically is that I have a little review game that I want us to play at the beginning of the class. In this activity, then I am going to be sharing the screen, and then you guys are going to be working on the answers, and I will be inserting the answers once you have the answers. All right. Now, then after that, we are gonna work on the worksheet, our first assignment that is in Google Classroom. We are gonna do that together. So you guys, everybody is supposed to have the answer, and then your working is what is gonna determine if you understood or you did not understand. So everybody's gonna be working on their notebooks, the questions, just like how we were doing yesterday. You're gonna work it out on the questions, and then we are just gonna agree on the answers. Alright? So if you have a question and I say that that is the answer, but you do not have an answer that is like that, then you have to go back and you have to check your working to see where it is that you went wrong. So what we're doing today is basically making sure that you have all your answers correct, right, when you are doing your work. Now, and then after that, we're gonna start with base 16, and we're just gonna do an introduction of base 16, and we're gonna do conversion from base 16 to base 10. And then tomorrow, then we are going to be doing the other worksheet that is in Google Classroom. So everybody understands the plan that we have?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you guys need to have your notebooks ready so that you guys can be writing down the question. There are 15 questions in the first worksheet. If you have looked at Google Classroom, the first worksheet has 15 different questions that you can work on, and then we will be working with all of those 15. So you guys will write the question, the binary number, and then you will write the answer beside it. So when you guys are doing all of your work and you write it out neatly so that you can take pictures of it, then you know this is supposed to be my correct answer. If you have already done the worksheet, you have finished it, then all you have to do is check if your answers are correct. All right? Good. Okay. So today's lesson, we are continuing with conversions of bases. We want to continue converting binary numbers to denary numbers, so base 2 to base 10. That is the conversion that we would like to continue with and finish off today with. And like I mentioned, I do have one review activity that I would like for us to do, and it is this one. Alright, so we are working with small numbers, very small numbers. So this should go very quickly, right? So yesterday when we were talking about binary and denary systems, we basically looked at the place values first. We want to expand the number. So remember, I spaced out the number 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. And then I put the numbers on top of it. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, right? That is what we did yesterday. And then we added all of the numbers that had a 1. And we added the number at the top so that we could change it to a denary number. So that is basically what we did yesterday, right? So now converting a binary to a decimal, if I want to change this number to a decimal, then that would have been the process that I would have done. So now my first question right here. If I have this binary number, what would this binary number be as a decimal number, as a base 10? Anybody knows? Let me see. I see.
Zero, miss.
The answer is 0. I saw Yuri put it in the chat. Very good, Yuri. Very good, Ryan. Do I need to review what we did yesterday, guys? Would you like me to show an example before we do this activity?
Yes, miss.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Let me stop sharing here. Uy. I'm gonna stop sharing here. I'm gonna connect from my device. And then I'm gonna share my screen over here, okay? Okay. Okay, guys. So, right here. Let me give you guys a binary number that is 1100 base 2. And I want to change this number to a base 10. Alright? This is the activity that we're doing right now. Yesterday we had done base 10 to base 2, which we do that by dividing, right? We divide a number by 2 over and over and over and over until we can't divide anymore. When we are changing and when we're doing the opposite, when we are doing a base 2 number and we want to change it to a base 10 number, I have to write out my number a little spaced out, and I'm gonna give each number a power of 2, right? Now if I'm going to be doing that, on which side do I start? Do I start from the left or do I start from the right?
Left, miss.
The left.
Right, miss.
Do I start here?
This is from right.
The right, miss.
On the
Right, miss.
right, very good. I start here. I start from the last number, right? That is where I have to begin. So if I am starting here on the right with this 0, what would be my first power that I would give that number?
1,
1,
Very good. I would give it a power of 1. What follows?
2,
2,
2,
2. Very good. Then?
4,
4,
4,
4,
Very good. And then?
8,
8,
8,
8,
8. Very good. Now if I had one more number, what would have been the other power?
16,
Very
16,
good. Very good. Now what do we do?
16.
add
Add
them.
them. You add them and you remove the two
Take
zeros
out
that
the
you
one that
have
have
just
zeros.
ready.
Very
You just put
good.
the 8 and you just add the 8 and the 4.
Okay, very good, everybody. So now, the first thing that I want to do is that I want to remove the ones that have a 0. Because those are not important to me. Because they have a 0, they don't really mean anything. Right? All the ones that are important to me and the ones that I want are these ones that have a 1 on it. Now, those ones that have a 1, I'm going to take them and I'm going to add the numbers that I have wrote. Alright? So I have 8 plus 4, and what does that give you?
12.
12.
12.
12. So my answer here is 12 base 10. Any questions?
No, miss.
No, miss.
No, miss.
Okay, so
No, miss.
can we go back to the activity now?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Okay, so let me stop sharing my screen here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna share the activity again since it's fresh in your heads now. So my answer for this one, what would it be?
0.
0.
0. Very good. So I'm gonna type in a 0 there. And then I want to submit my answer, and it is correct. What will be the answer for this one?
1.
1.
1.
Very good.
The next one
Next
is
one.
2.
And 4. 4.
Remember that this one has a power of 1 and this one has a power of?
2.
2.
So what would your answer be?
1.
2.
4. 2, miss. 2.
2 miss.
2.
Your answer would be
2.
2. This one?
3.
2 again.
3.
3, miss.
4.
4. 3.
Remember
3
that this
miss.
one is a 1, then this
It
one
will
is
be
a 2, then this one is 4,
3.
and this is 8. So my
It will be
answer
3,
in
miss.
this case should be?
3.
Next one.
Will be 8, miss. Will be 8.
2.
4.
No, only 4.
4, miss.
4. Next one.
5.
5.
5.
Very good. 5.
6.
6.
So we have 4 here and 2 here, so that gives you 6, right?
7.
7.
7.
7, miss.
Very good.
8.
8, miss. 8.
Very good.
9.
9.
9.
Good work, everybody.
10.
10. 10.
Very good.
11.
11.
11.
11. Very good.
12.
12.
12.
12.
13.
13.
13.
13. 13. 13.
13.
14.
14.
14.
15.
15.
15.
Okay. Very good. Very good, everybody. Very good. So that one was very quick, right? Because there are only 4 of them. We could do it very, very fast, right? So now, we are going to start with the worksheet, right? So I would suggest you have your powers written out. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Write them out at the top of your page so that underneath it you can clearly see. So just like how I have it in the worksheet. Let me show you guys in the worksheet. This is the worksheet that I have posted and I have assigned to you guys. So if you take a look at what is here at the top, it has 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So I would like you guys to do something like that so that we can go a little bit faster so that you guys know where your numbers are going to be. Alright, so let me zoom this a little bit. 150. Yep, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Go ahead and write them at the top of your page so that you guys could look at them and, very fast you can see what those values are. Very good, Ernest. You have everything finished?
Miss, I also don't send
Yes,
my
miss.
work.
I saw that some of you sent your work already, and that's very good, guys. That means that you're working very hard to do all your work. And some of you sent it to me through WhatsApp, so for me to check it before. So very good, guys. Keep up the hard work. So now, those of you that are finished, all you have to do today is check if your answers are correct, right? So number 1 was already done for you guys. Number 1 is 106. So that one, everybody should get that one correct because all of you, the answer is right there, right? So now, is everybody finished writing? 1, 2, 4, 8,
Yes.
16, 32, 64, 128, right? So we're gonna go to the first question, question number 1, and this is question number 1. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna time you guys, right? I'm gonna give you guys how much time do you guys need? 1 minute, 2 minutes per question? 1 minute I think is enough.
1 minute, miss.
1 minute, right? 1 minute is enough time. So I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute for each question, and then when the time is up, I will count to 3 and everybody's gonna send their answer in the chat at the same time. So everybody has the same opportunity to do the work. If you have already done it, then you just sit and wait con paciencia, you wait with patience, and then for everybody else to do the work. Alright, so this is the first one. I'm gonna start the 1 minute, and the 1 minute starts. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, how do I? Okay, the 1 minute starts now.
Miss,
Yes.
the answer is 106.
Oh, okay, that one was done already. You guys don't tell me anything. That one was already done. I said it, right? Sorry about that. Let's move on to the second question. Everybody should have this answer already. This is the second one. And then I'll start the timer, and you guys go ahead and do that. One is easy. Just by looking at it, you can give me the answer, right?
4.
4, miss.
Okay, you guys. I will repeat the instructions.
Miss, they're not getting the answer.
Miss,
Just in the chat box.
miss.
The instructions were
4, miss.
I'm seeing I'm seeing the answers. I'll repeat the instructions because you guys did not understand my instructions. This one was easy and you guys did that one very fast. The other question, question number 3, the answer is 4. So you guys can go ahead. That 4 is correct. Alright, so number 1 is 106, number 2 is 4. Number 3, we're gonna go to number 3. I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute to work on number 3. When that 1 minute is up, I will tell you time is up, and then you type your answers in the chat and you will hold your answer there. You won't send it in the chat until I counted 3. Then everybody's gonna send their answers together. Is the instructions clear now?
Yes, miss.
Very
Yes,
good.
miss.
Yes, miss.
So that is what we're doing, right? I don't want to see anybody unmuting and saying the answer, and I don't want to see any answers in the chat until I say you can send it. Alright? So we're gonna move on to number 3. And this is number 3. Okay, 30 seconds. I think that one was a small number. So get your answers ready. When I count to 3, everybody's gonna send your answers at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Send your answers. Okay, very good. The answer should be 10. The answer should be 10 for number 3. Next one. Go ahead and start. Okay. Okay, guys, I didn't count the 3. That was my alarm. 1 minute was up, but okay. Let me see. I see. Starting with Yuri, 21, 21, 21, 21. 21, 21, 21. Very good. Very good, very good. The answer should be 21. 21 should be the answer.
Miss, let me say I've already do.
Yes, I saw 42 as well. Um, those of you that are not getting the answers correct, make sure that you're writing down the correct answers, right? So, if I need to review any question, then I will do that at the end of the class. But for right now, because of time, we want to go a little bit, right? So let's look at number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have the numbers there and I'm counting. You don't need a minute to do this one. So I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds for this one. Oosh, don't send your answers. Don't send your answers, guys. Give everybody a chance to work.
Sorry, miss. It's my finger.
It's automatic, like when you're texting and then boom, you press send and it goes there. Okay, guys, very good, very good. But try your best. Don't send your answers. You want to give everybody the opportunity to keep working, right? Okay, but everybody got the answer correct. So very good, everybody. I see 15s and 15s. Very good. Okay, let's move on. Number 6. Don't send your answers, remember. 30 seconds because this one is easy. Okay, type your answers. 1, 2, 3. Send your answers. I see answers. Very good, very good. Okay, guys, the answer should be 6, right? So everybody that has 6, very good. Number 7. Number 7, guys. One, two, three. Send your answers. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, where did it begin? The answer, I said different answers. The answer should be 42. 42. Those of you that did not get 42, make sure that you're cross-checking right. And if you write a 0 instead of a 1, or you write a 1 instead of a 0, that is going to make your answer wrong, right? So you have to be very, very careful. Copy the questions correctly. Make sure that you're adding correctly so that you guys are not. And then the powers, please don't go skipping a power, right? Next question, number 8. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys. The answer should be 30. That is the correct answer, right? Okay, let's move on. Number 9. Number 9. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Send your answers. Okay, so we have the answer should be 82. 82. Very good, everyone. 82. Let's move on. Number 10. 1110001. Three, two, one. Okay, let's see the answers. 1, 3. The correct answer should be 113. 113. Those of you that did not get 113, you have to go back and check why you didn't get 113. Next question. 30 seconds for this one, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. The answer should be 136. 136. Let's look at number 12. We're almost finished. Number 12 out of 15, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, the answer should be 52. 52 should be the correct answer. Number 13. One, two, three.
Miss,
Yes.
if I have done it, I can send it again, Miss?
You want to read? You want to resubmit it?
Yes.
Yes, you can go ahead in Google Classroom. You can go back to the assignment, and you can. There is an option that says that you can take it back, right? You cannot submit it. You just click on that, and then you can remove whatever it is that you sent me. Because I haven't checked it as yet. I was looking at some of them, but I haven't graded them, right? So if you want to fix anything or you want to send it again, you can go ahead and do that.
Okay, Miss, thanks.
Okay. Okay, guys, the answer for number 13 should be 195. 195. Two more questions and then we're finished with this worksheet, right? Number 14. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Yes, I'm looking at the time. Don't want to keep you guys behind more than that. So, last one. You guys are gonna write down the answer. Everybody, when you guys do this one, you should get 255. 255 for that one, right? So, I'm gonna read over the answers, and I want everybody to cross-check that you have written the correct answers, right? So, number 1, 106. Number 2, 4. Number 3, 10. Number 4, 21. Number 5, 15. Number 6, 6. Number 7, 42. Number 8, 30. Number 9, 82. Number 10, 113. 113. Number 11, 136. Number 12, 52. Number 13, 195. Number 14, 110. And number 15, 255. Alright, so that should be the first worksheet, guys.